Blackview HERO 10, a groundbreaking foldable smartphone that's turning heads in the tech industry. This device offers a ton of value for its price, and in this video I'll be giving you 5 compelling reasons why you should consider buying it. Before we get started, make sure to check out the link to the Blackview HERO 10 in the video description below. Let's dive in. The HERO 10 boasts a gorgeous 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 1080x2560 resolution. The colors are vibrant and accurate, making everything from movies and games to photos and videos look amazing. Plus, the high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and animations, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, you'll find a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which delivers plenty of power for everyday tasks and even some gaming. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the HERO 10 handles multitasking effortlessly, allowing you to switch between apps without any lag. And with 256 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The HERO 10 sports a 108 megapixels main camera that captures stunning photos and videos even in low-light conditions. The camera's AI-powered features help you take professional-looking shots with ease. And for selfies and video calls, there's a 32 megapixels front-facing camera that produces sharp and detailed images. It packs a 4000 mAh battery that can easily last you through a full day of use on a single charge. And with support for 45 watts fast charging, you can quickly top it up whenever you need to. Plus, the efficient power management ensures that your battery lasts longer between charges. One of the biggest selling points of the Blackview HERO 10 is its affordable price. Despite offering impressive specs and features, it's priced competitively compared to other foldable smartphones on the market. This makes it a great option for those who want to experience the benefits of a foldable phone without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a feature-packed foldable smartphone at an affordable price, this device is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to click the link in the video description to learn more and grab your own HERO 10. Thanks for watching.